Hi, I'm Alisha from adultspeechtherapy.co, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use an alphabet board with your patients. So we use an alphabet board typically if your patients have more severe motor speech disorders such as apraxia of speech or dysarthria. You could even use it with patients who have voice disorders that are quite severe, and it will look a lot like a low-tech AAC. So I have printed an alphabet board which is available on the Adult Speech Therapy Workbook, and I wanted to show you how to use it. So basically I'm going to point to the first letter of every word I'm going to say. For instance, if I say, how are you, I'm going to point to the H-A-Y. So the listener is then listening to the patient speak, but they're also watching the alphabet board. And this will give your listener a written cue, so they're better able to understand your patients. Again, with other phrases such as I am good, I'm going to point to the I, then the A, then the G. What you may have noticed is it really helps reduce speech rate. So it is a pacing board, and you can use it when speaking as well. So before you say a word, again, you're going to point to the letter and help pause better between words. So it really does slow down a speaker as well as it can help the listener have those written cues. Good luck teaching your patients how to use an alphabet board. For everything else, including free PDFs, be sure to check out adultspeechtherapy.co.